Hello, I'm Dr. Victoria Graff, and I'm the Program Director for the Loyola Marymount University Education Specialist or Special Education Program at the university. We offer the credential and also a master's in special education with an emphasis in serving students with mild to moderate disabilities. It is a one-year program for the credential and with an optional one additional year for the master's degree. Also have a couple of other videos, one from Jacqueline Mencia, who is also a graduate from the program and currently a part-time faculty member. She went on to get her PhD in disability studies and is now an administrator in a local district in Southern California. And she will talk a little bit more about her experience in the program and also her experience as a special educator in the field. We also have a short video from Jordan Raymond, who graduated just recently with both credentials, an ed specialist credential as well as a general ed credential, and she's currently a teacher at Wish Charter School, a fully inclusive charter school, which is part of the LMU family of schools. So again, welcome. I appreciate your interest in learning more about the LMU special education program, and I look forward to meeting you in person or being able to answer any questions that you might have. Thanks again, and all the best.
Hi, my name is Jackie Mencia, and I graduated from LMU with my Master's in Special Education credential in 2006. Not only did LMU provide me a great foundation from where my career flourished, but it helped me find my first job and my first home in the Lenox School District, where I taught for 7 years. Even after I graduated in 2006, many of the professors continued to mentor and guide me, and ultimately helped lead me in my journey to earn my PhD in disability studies in 2014. One of the professors served on my committee for my dissertation and continues to be a mentor to me to this day. I truly loved my time at LMU so much. I wanted to go back and make the same difference for students that my professors made on me. So I started teaching as an adjunct professor in the fall of 2011. Since then, I have taught well over 25 courses in a variety of topics and subject areas. Since my time at LMU, I've enjoyed not only working as a special educator in the field in various classes, grade levels, and districts, but I've also expanded my experiences as a behavior specialist, as a support for parents and for families in the home, working with other family and special education organizations, also teaching at other universities, and most recently as a special education instructional specialist at the Lawndale Elementary School District. LMU opened so many different opportunities for me in the field of special education, and I'm confident that it can do the same thing for you. We hope you join our LMU family, and I hope to see you in one of my classes in the future.
Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Raymond and I'm a recent alum of the School of Education. I graduated with my bachelor's in liberal studies in 2018 and my master's in educational studies in 2019. I currently am a first grade teacher at Wish Charter Elementary School and I hold a education specialist credential and a multiple subject credential. LMU is one of my favorite places in the whole world, which is why I, of course, agree to talk more about the School of Education, but more importantly, the special education program. Through my 5 years at LMU, I learned so much, but one teacher in particular helped me realize my passion for special education. It was the very first class that I ever took on special education, and it opened my eyes to wanting to pursue a career in it. LMU's class sizes are optimal and allowed me to talk more with my professors and learn more from my professors and get to know them on a personal level. They remain some of my all-time favorite teachers I have ever had because I got to have that personal connection with them. They are so knowledgeable about teaching special education, and I promise you, you'll not find a better school than LMU. Their experience in teaching special education and their continued work in the field make them experts and the best to learn from. I am so thankful for the lasting relationships with my professors that I have made from my time at LMU. If you are interested in a career in special education, LMU has got the perfect program for you and the best teachers to learn from.